What is up, chat? So, one of the more annoying things that it took me a while to wrap my head around was calling script includes from UI actions. So that's what I'm working with right now. That's what we're going to go a little over today. Some of my notes between on this topic, and what I have pulled up is my CAA men's b-ball database application, and on this table I just have a list of games that have happened within the last 5 years. And what I would like to be able to do is I'd like to be able to click on a couple of these games, press a UI action, and then the UI action creates another record, copies the record, and adds it to another table, which I'm going to call the historical CAA game log, just for the specific games that I want to remember and be able to easily find. So what I have set up is this UI action baller, and we're going to jump into the baller UI action record. uh, the action name is Baller Alert. As you can see, it's a list banner button. Um, have the client callable checkbox checked, and it might look different from you if you're in different instances. On down here, I have the on click, which is the show alert function. So when the button is clicked, the function show alert should happen. Let's take a look at line 2. So there's an alert there, lines up for free. So this is just a way for me to confirm that I am actually getting inside of the UI action and triggering it. Then the next step we're going to do is we're going to call the script include. So we're going to create a variable that has the glide Ajax Kobe script include. So now that we're at the stage of calling we're creating the variable of the script include. What we're going to do is check out the script include record. So here it is, the Kobe script include. So just to as a refresher, we're just going to talk about what exactly a script include does. So a script include creates a class and it stores methods within that class. So basically, what you're doing is you're building a box and putting a bunch of tools inside of that box. And our goal is to be able to reuse those tools in that box and just be able to pick out the tools that we want when we want them. And script includes work with Glide Ajax. So here, if we take a look at the var script include equals class.create, that's us actually creating the reusable class in the server side. And then the first thing I want to talk about is this global.abstract Ajax processor right here. So this is specifically designed to make a server-side methods accessible from the client side via Glide Ajax. So this is what's going to create that road for us. And then the object extends object right here is just saying, hey, I want my Kobe script include to act like this abstract Ajax processor and create that relationship. That's all that that's doing right there. And then if we jump down into line 3, this is where our show info messages. This is going to be our first method inside of this script include. And all it's going to do is if it returns successful, it's going to show a message that says Kobe. All right. So the return right here, return success, this is used to send data or a message back to the client. And then one of the more important parts of this script include is the type. So every script include must have a type property and the value must match the name of the script include. Without this, the script include won't function correctly. All right. So let's jump back to the UI action and we're going to pick up where we left off at line 10. So the ga.add sysparam.name. This is specifically going to be used every time you're trying to call a script include. What this sysparm underscore name is looking for is the method that you're trying to call inside of that script include. And then we jumped out here to line 15. The get XML answer, it sends the Glide Ajax request to the server and waits for a response. And then I have if else in here if it works correctly and if it doesn't work correctly. All right, so without further ado, let's take a look. I'm just going to refresh this. We're going to click Baller. He lines up for 3. Script include executed successfully. And there we have Kobe. Awesome. So this is just going to be the first video of 2, I think. The next is using that initialize to create a new record and then store it on a new table. So I might create that historical CA game logs table off camera so we have everything set up for you. But yeah, if you have any questions and if you want me to send you some update sets or send you some reading material for your own stuff, just leave a comment.